Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are gonna be seeing our new graphics tablet. My voice is not gonna come because there's rain and the background voice is not good. So here I'm just telling that it's a great news for me to show you guys our newest graphic tablet. It's the XP Pen Deco01 V2. So there was rainfall and random people were knocking the doors, so just leave it. So I was just explaining about that and etc. So now we are gonna unbox this, the Deco01 V2. So let's just open it. It's so hard to open. Why is this so hard? Huh? Oh, why is this package so hard? At last it opened. Let's just peel that thing off. Mm, mm, mm. I was been waiting for like 2 months, I guess, for this arrival. So let's just open this. So where's the opening of this? I'm so confused. How to open this package? Okay, let's just remove it. Oh, that's the way. Okay, I get it. Oh, let's just keep that over there. Guys, this is not a sponsored video. This is just a review of it. So here is a box. I turned it over. Oh no, I did it wrong. The opening is a different way. Yeah, that's a tab. What's that? Oh, that's a screen guard, I guess. Yeah, a screen guard type thing. Okay, let's just keep the tab for aside for now, and even the screen guard aside. Yeah, it's a nice glassy look, but it's somewhat a plastic. Oh, we got this manuals, some what we see are wires. Oh, this is our pen stand and our pen. So this is our pen. There's two buttons over there. So I don't know what's the use of it. So let's just keep it aside for now. Let's open our pen stand. It's a heavy, guys, and they kept it in a cover. I don't know. It's a heavy actually, like some water, like 500 kg, and that glue that sticks so much. Okay, this is good. So we just keep our pen stand. Whoa, it can rotate. It's not that tight of holding. Oh, there's even a pen remover, nib remover actually. What, you must keep it, rotate it, remove. Okay. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, let me see that again and let me do afterwards. So let's just turn this thing. It has a said opens at the side. So let's just turn. What's that? I don't know. Oh, that's a nib holder. But where are the nibs? Huh? I did not see that. I don't know. Maybe it's in the other drive cover thing. Let's just close it and keep it aside for now. And let's see the manual and stuff. So there's one wire, I guess, a long wire, type C wire, and some two things for Android. One is a big one and a small one for connecting. Oh, there's a glove. Let me open it. I opened it. It's a nice. It's softish. It's a like a silk type of stuff. It's a nice. It fits properly and it's cool. So very nice for writing, I guess. Yeah, good. Let's just remove it and keep it aside. Yeah, like that. And now the other manual and stuff. Let me open it. Okay, we got the nibs. So we must keep the nibs afterwards. So these are the other things for connecting your tablet to your Android devices, and this is for your computer to your tablet. So just keep it. We'll just keep it aside. And there's some other manual and stuff. So you guys see a guarantee card, manual, and other stuff. And our screen guard, we just keep it there. Now our tab. So it has some sticker, fox I guess, something. Let's just open this. This is so sticky, guys. That thing stuck to that plastic type of cover, I guess. It's sticky. It's not even coming. You need to pull it apart hardly. Yeah, I know why. If it is easy, then while traveling or while packing, it may come out. So they made it hard, I guess. That's the key part. So let's just open it. So this is a big tab, and there's a lot of writing space, I guess. Yeah, there's some 4 corner type things over here at the front. I don't know what's that. I don't know actually. I'm new to this kind of stuff. It's plain, and there's some buttons, and there are 4 sticky stuff at the back. So it's for support, I guess, when you're keeping on a table or something. Let's keep it aside for now, and that's all. I guess I need to keep the screen guard thing. Yeah, so guys, we are here at the future, I guess. So now I have installed the drive. It's something like this. Yeah, the XP pen, the stuff, and I have even installed the Krita app. So it is for animation and even drawing and stuff. So after I installed, I set it up, and it's somewhat like this. And so this is what the app thing, the drive thing it is. So you need to set up stuff for this. So like the pen, you must set up the controls. So what type of controls do you want for the pen? So for my type of persons, I like a pen eraser type at the back button, and this is for left click. So I use a lot of mouse stuff and for gaming and stuff, so I like left click. It's a lot easier in this pen, so I just added this left click button for this. So now for the tab settings, you just go to the express key settings. I use these. So for my Steady Master channel, I for the Vedic Max, what I do, I explain my dad and stuff for other people. So how to do. So for that, these controls I use a lot. So open tablet settings is what I used now to open this thing. So even the function keys, you can add any type of function key you want. You can add any of these. You can add even a shortcut or something. So let's just keep it what is normal. So what I used is a control V. What's that? That's a paste, and control X is cut, control C is copy. Then scroll up, scroll down, control Z, which is back. Oh, then who's that? Okay, let's just see that message afterwards. No. So the last function I use is the right click. The right click is also important, and these are the functions I use. So this is somewhat a my type of people can use these functions. So who are in YouTube and wanna do something like this, educational things, and even you can set up your tablet. So this is the screen. So I have the tablet in front of me set up fully, and I connected it with the computer, and it's showing which is the ratio type of thing. Even you can change it to anything over here. I don't want to change, I just want to keep it normal. And this is the tablet settings. So let's just open Krita and go. Even Krita is not sponsoring, guys. This is just an animation app. I love using this app. So let's just create a normal document, and I have the pen in my hand. So when I get this pen in here, this tablet, it I did not even touch, but it starts moving the cursor. I don't know how is this technology type thing, but the pen is working. So let me just do. Oh, I chose the eraser stuff. So I'm going to use the buttons now, which is important. So I'm going to use the scroll button. So you guys can hear that tuk sound. So that's the scroll button, and I just use the left click. So it got selected, and there's a pressure sensory too. So when you do it slowly, the color becomes light. So when you press hardly like this, then it becomes dark. So it's good for like gradient and stuff. So you go slowly and then dark stuff. And the pen and eraser mode. So now it is in pen mode. I just click the button and now it became an eraser. Huh? What the heck? Okay, it's not an eraser. What? I guess this does not work in the Krita app. But it worked in the OneNote app when I was using it. So just to choose eraser, then that. So even the eraser, how much pressure you do, that much big this thing becomes. So if I do less pressure, it is small, but I use more pressure, then it becomes big. So that's how it is there. Now let's just open what do you say in OneNote. Yeah, let's just open OneNote. So this is OneNote. So I'm using the pen mode now. So I just wrote something. So now I'm gonna use the eraser mode. So it's just when you use the button, it turns into pen mode and eraser mode. So but it must be on the radius. So at a certain height it's working, but above the certain height it doesn't. So it tracks the cursor type thing above a certain height. More height it doesn't work. So you must be you just think this is the tablet. So this is a certain height it works like the cursor type thing. And when you get too close, then wait, let me change it to the pen mode. So when you come closely to the thing, you can write. So in this as a pressure sensitivity, when you hold it for too long, it turns into laser tool. So that's a new trick. And now let's use our cut option and our paste option. So then copy and again paste. Oh, paste. So I use these a lot, so I just took this. Let's just erase these all with our eraser tool. So these are all my preferable keys and settings I do, and I love using this thing. So even it works for Android devices. So I'll just show you a screen recording of me using this stuff, this thing on this. So go see that now. So guys, this is my tab. So I just connected my device. So now I have this tool. So I'm writing. So you must keep the device horizontal, and you can write it properly, and it's all fine. But it's hard to write actually, because the eye contact is on your tab, and you need to write without seeing. So the handwriting is gonna go bad. So no problem, but it's working. So there's a tab, the graphics tablet. It's a proper and it's working even on the Android devices and even in the computer. So I love this device. It's a very good. So guys, like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell for getting notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys.